Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
Reinstalling Apple Mail isn't like reinstalling other apps. You cannot simply delete it and download it again from the App Store. Mail is a core part of macOS and comes built into your operating system. If you are experiencing issues with Mail, there are two main approaches. First, you can try resetting its preferences. Close the Mail app completely. Open Finder, then click Go in the menu bar. Hold down the Option key on your keyboard and select Library from the drop-down menu. Inside the Library folder, navigate to the Preferences folder. Locate the file named com.apple.mail.plist and drag it to your desktop. This acts as a backup. Now, relaunch Mail. This action will reset all of Mail's settings to their defaults, often resolving unexpected behavior. Your emails will still be there. If resetting preferences does not fix the problem, the most complete way to reinstall Apple Mail is to reinstall macOS itself. This process replaces all core system applications, including Mail, with fresh copies, without erasing your personal files and data. Before you start, always back up your Mac using Time Machine. To begin the macOS reinstall, restart your computer and immediately hold down the Command and Alt keys together until you see the Apple logo or a spinning globe. This will take you to macOS recovery. From the Utilities window, select to reinstall macOS and follow the prompts. Your Mac will download and install a fresh version of the operating system, which includes a brand new copy of Apple Mail.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.